Welcome to Smart Start TV. Hi, Smarties. Let's learn veggies from A to Z. Ready? Let's go. This is letter A. A is for asparagus. Asparagus. A is for artichoke. Artichoke. This is letter B. B is for broccoli. Broccoli. B is for beetroot. Beetroot. This is letter C. C is for carrot. Carrot. C is for cabbage. Cabbage. This is letter D. D is for daikon. Daikon. D is for drumstick. Drumstick. This is letter E. E is for eggplant. Eggplant. E is for endive. Endive. This is letter F. F is for fennel. Fennel. F is for fenugreek. Fenugreek. This is letter G. G is for garlic. Garlic. G is for green peas. Green peas. This is letter H. H is for horseradish. Horseradish. H is for habanero. Habanero. This is letter I. I is for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. I is for ivy gourd. Ivy gourd. This is letter J. J is for jalapeno. Jalapeno. J is for jicama. Jicama. This is letter K. K is for kale. Kale. K is for kidney beans. Kidney beans. This is letter L. L is for leek. Leek. L is for lettuce. Lettuce. This is letter M. M is for mushrooms. Mushrooms. M is for mung beans. Mung beans. This is letter N. N is for Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. N is for nopales. Propolis. This is letter O. O is for okra. Okra. O is for onion. Onion. This is letter P. P is for potato. Potato. P is for pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is letter Q. Q is for quinoa. Quinoa. Q is for Queen Anne's lace. Queen Anne's lace. This is letter R. R is for radish. Radish. R is for rutabaga. Rutabaga. This is letter S. S is for spinach. Spinach. S is for sweet potato. Sweet potato. This is letter T. T is for tomato. Tomato. T is for turmeric. Turmeric. This is letter U. U is for upland cress. Upland cress. U is for ube. Ube. This is letter V. V is for Vidalia onion. Vidalia onion. V is for velvet beans. Velvet beans. This is letter W. W is for winged beans. Winged beans. W is for white asparagus. White asparagus. This is letter X. X is for salak, a type of lettuce. Salak. X is for xilanhua, a type of broccoli. Xilanhua. This is letter Y. Y is for yam bean. Yam bean. Y is for yard long beans. Yard long beans. This is letter Z. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini. Z is for zebra tomato. Zebra tomato. Thanks for watching Smart Start TV. Subscribe now to never miss our latest uploads. Until next time, Smarties!